Hello, this is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have joined me today for my Simple Sunday video. Before I get into anything that I'm doing today, I wanted to show you. Last Tuesday, I tried to show you the glimmer sheets that were part of the Unbounded Beauty suite. And at the time, it looked like I was missing a sheet. And later on, I found it. It was stuck to another page. So these are the colors. You have the Shy Shamrock, the Summer Splash, the Peach Pie, the Petunia Pop, and the Pretty in Pink. And those are all the in colors for this year, which I'm very excited about. I love the colors. I think they're so pretty, so vibrant. And so I wanted to show you that set because I did get it, and I wanted you to see what all was there. Today we are going to take a look at this month's paper pumpkin. And it is entitled, I don't remember, Delicate Wings. That's right. Delicate Wings. You get 3 cards of 3 different kinds. They come with these beautiful envelopes. And then these are the cards that you'll see. Surrounding you with love. I'm always here for you. And everything will be okay. All right, so those are the beautiful cards that we will be doing today. I'm going to show you from our instruction sheet how you do this, and we will get it all done. As you can see, it does come with an instruction sheet. It'll show you everything that you have in it. In fact, the one page, it'll show you card 1, 2, and 3, and it'll show you all the things that you need for that card. And so I've already separated my cards and put together everything that I needed for it. So I won't have to do that now. But that's what you can do. You can just separate it all and get it ready so that you can just start to make the cards. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And I just wanted to show you it comes with the stamp set. Sending lovely thoughts your way. Everything will be okay and surrounding you with love. And then it has the butterflies and a little background dotted stamp that you can use. Okay. Our color is the basic gray. I'm going to put the spot aside and just use my regular basic gray. It'll come with dimensionals and your mini dots, and it comes with tape so that those are the adhesives that we have. All right. So here we go. Our first card requires these 3 items. Very easy. And I'm going to put these others aside here so that I don't lose any pieces or anything. All right. Now I'm going to show you how we put this together. When you look at your card or your instruction sheet, you will see these open octagons, and those are the Stampin' Dimensionals. When you see something like this, it means that's where you use the tape. All right. When you see something like those dots, those dark dots, that means the mini glue dots is what you will use to adhere your items. Every instruction sheet also comes with a ruler so that anytime that you have twine or ribbon that they have sent along with it, you can measure out what you need and use that for your card. We don't have anything like that this time, so I am not going to worry about it. I am going to take my bone folder now, and I'm going to fold this card in half. Make sure I burnish it real good so that it'll lay flat for me. And this will be a vertical card. So what it is showing me is I need to put the tape across the butterfly sheet. And I'm going to adhere this right away, and I'll show you why in a minute. All right. And I'm just going to add that to this gold card. Trying to think what to say and try and get this part at the same time. My brain is not working. All right. There we go. If you have trouble getting things like the tape apart or your mini glue dots on there, this Take Your Pick tool is the best tool around. It's about $11. You will not regret ever getting it because it comes in handy for so many things. Okay, I'm going to center that on this gold card. And then it shows that the gold card should have those dimensionals that I mentioned. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on. Now I put the butterfly on top of it. I adhered that right away so that I am not fighting with the bumps from the Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm not putting the card on there fighting with the different levels, and that helps me center it correctly. So that's just a tip to keep in mind. Go, and then we're going to take this and we're going to center it in the middle of this card. And that's basically it. This does come out, so you can bring this up, stretch it out a little bit so that when your recipient receives it, he or she can also make that butterfly fly. Okay? All right, so that's the first card. The second card that we're going to do is this one, and I'm going to take my bone folder and burnish that. I also need to stamp. Everything will be okay on this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Everything will be okay. All right. I'm going to flip that over and this over and my butterflies over. And it looks like everything is adhered with tape. So I'm going to go ahead and get my tape. And I'm just going to start putting that on here as the directions show me. All right, and I'm going to see if I can bring that down so you can see it and do it at the same time. Let's see. All right. This thing, I'm going to lay it this way so it looks just like the picture. And then I'm going to add here my tape. And then 2 more small parts. There we go. We got that done and my message done. Or my sentiment, I should say. And then I have these 3 butterflies to do. Let's see. The smaller butterfly just gets one right across. The medium-sized butterfly gets one up this way. And the bigger butterfly goes from the middle down. So there we go. That's how we do that. Now we're going to assemble the card. See, these are pretty easy to do once you get all this tape and stuff on. The assembling is very easy. Okay. There we go. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to, in fact, I'm going to open this up so I can see better what I'm doing. And I'm just going to line it up from the center to the end and put that down. Okay, then I'm going to take this one first. And I'm going to lay that right here. Then I'm going to take the big one and I'm going to put that right there. And then the medium-sized butterfly will go on the bottom, just like that. Then we just have to add our sentiment, and we will be done with this card. Easy peasy. There you go. Everything will be okay. All right, then we have one more card. This one has a lot of little pieces to it, so we got to be careful that we don't lose those. All right, and the message that we're going to stamp is surrounding you with love. Here we go. And then there's one more thing that we stamp on this, and that is we're going to stamp a gray butterfly onto this white card. Yeah, let's see. There we go. I'm going to set that aside for just a second, and I'm going to flip all these little butterflies over. And it shows me that these butterflies get the mini dimension, or the mini dots, the glue dots. And so I'm going to go ahead and put those on my butterflies. They each get 2. There we go. And one more. Okay, and then it shows on my sentiment that I need to have Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm going to put those on right away too. Now the back of this white card will also get Stampin' Dimensionals, but I'm going to leave that last because we're going to put our flowers and stuff on it first. Or if not flowers, butterflies, excuse me. Okay, I'm going to take the paper off these glue dots. And we're going to put these where it shows in our picture. It looks like this one goes right here. Oh, come on. There we go. This one goes down here. Right up there. The little one. And then we have the bigger one. And that goes right here. Then we'll take our sentiment and we put that right in the middle of all those butterflies, just like that. Now I'm going to fold this card. This card is going to lay horizontally, and it shows that we need Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of this white card. So we're going to put those on and adhere that, and our card should be done. Center that right in there. And there we go. We have our third card. Very nice, very easy. They're so pretty. All those butterflies, nice and springy. And they're all about caring for our friends and family. So this was our April paper pumpkin. You can no longer order it, but I wanted to show you how great these paper pumpkin kits are. Our next paper pumpkin kit is going to be, you can order it now through the 10th of May, and it is called The Best There Is, and it's going to be cards for Father's Day. All right, doesn't show us much. It's kind of a secret right now. And if there's any other pictures that come out that tell us some more about it, I will make sure to show that to you. But now it's a big secret because it's for Dad. Alrighty? All right. So thank you so much. For joining me today. I trust that you have enjoyed these cards. And, get these paper pumpkin kits. They come once a month in the mail. And they are so fun, and sometimes they're just not a card, it's something else that you don't expect. And so they can be a lot of fun, and they're so easy to do. Some are stamping, some are not stamping. You don't do any stamping at all. And so there's a big variety of stuff that you can do. So anyway, you have a fantastic weekend of what is left, and I will see you next Tuesday from my Tickle Tuesday video. Bye now.